Yo guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. Welcome back to another Sunday flea market haul. Hope you enjoy what I got. So I say we jump right into it. Let's go. Alright guys, so we're going to try a totally different angle here to get this going because we got a big item back here. This is a multi-drawer little storage cabinet. This is really going to help me out in my other shop for getting that organized. So between this and mean green that I have over there, I think I'm pretty good for small storage. I hope. Fingers crossed. Knock on wood. You can never have too much storage, you know, but this thing's really going to help. I paid 30 bucks for this and I'd pay $30 any given day. This thing is awesome. So that was pretty cool to get this. Plus I think it's old military surplus. So, and there is some hardware in there too. Oh, and it's completely full of the dividers. So I got one drawer completely full of dividers for it. Let me rearrange the camera and we'll get a close-up of the hand tools and stuff. So give me a second. Alrighty guys, well, I don't want to move this big heavy box again, so we're just going to do our little show right here. I got a Bonnie. Can't read the sizes on there. I wish I could, but it needs a cleaning. Barkalow Buffalo, again, can't read the sizes. Definitely needs a cleaning. This one's a valve check. I can read 5/8 on there, but the other side I can't read. Got a 9/16 action. It's pretty cool. Got a 11/16 and 5/8 New Britain. That's awesome. Got another valve check here. This is a 3/4. Quite nice to get that. This one is a Thorson 3/8 and 7/16. Another Thorson 7/16 and 3/8. This is a Herbrand obstruction wrench 5/8 and 9/16. Kind of cool. So that was $3 for the wrenches. I paid $2 for these two punches. The small one here is a Dunlop. It's kind of cool. And this one, it's kind of funky. It's bulbous on this end, but there isn't a maker's mark or anything on here, so don't know. If you guys would know, throw it in the comment section. Next, I got 10 flux brushes for $1. Kind of cool. These are really handy to have around the shop. I paid $5 for this sweet Stanley Sweetheart. Hopefully that'll focus. There we go. Stanley Sweetheart scribe. It's in relatively good shape. It definitely needs a good cleaning, but yeah, it's in really good shape. I'm quite happy to get that. And $5, man, couldn't pass it up. H.D. Smith perfect handle screwdriver. Beautiful. I love it. This will be the second one I have in this style. Handles are really loose. We'll fix those up, give it a good clean job, and it'll be ready for action. Tip's in pretty good shape too, so quite happy about that. I love finding these. I paid $1 for these parrots. This one has got no maker's mark on there that I see yet. It's pretty heavy duty, so I kind of like the parrot style. And then this one is it just says perfect on there, USA T196. These are like painted handles, so I think both those will clean up nicely. Next, don't really know what to call this, guys. It's a wrench of sorts, but it's not ratcheting. Let's see. It's a Mueller, M-U-E-L-L-E-R, from Decatur, Illinois, patented June 21st, 1898. I don't know what it would be for. If you guys would know, it's all metal. Shout it out in the comment section, please, for me. Next, Got another lump hammer. This one's an aluminum head. Handle's in pretty good shape. It's a little loose, but I think we throw a new wedge in there and soak it in some linseed oil. The handle will swell up and it'll tighten back up for us just nicely. So quite happy to get this aluminum one. Next, I'm gonna call this a nutcracker because I don't know. That's as far as it closes. I don't know what else it would be used for. If you guys would know, again, that's what the comment section's for. You know, that's pretty cool though. And then last but not least, I got a Miller's Falls. Can't see a number on it or nothing, but this is a big boy here. It definitely needs a whole lot of love. There's a lot of pitting on this side. This thing's been sitting in water a real long time, so the handles are still in fairly good shape, but this thing, like I said, it needs a lot of love, and one day I'll get to it, but you know, quite happy with that. Alrighty guys, well, we are all done with this one. I hope you liked it and enjoyed it. Like always, put in the comment section what you think your favorite find of today was. Me personally, I don't have a specific favorite, but what's really high up there is this HD Smith Perfect Handle. I love this thing, and I think it's going to be a real fun project to restore. So I hope you guys liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. Like always, stay safe, be safe. We'll see you next week with another. Bye.